What is up? Back with another quick unboxing. I'm here to do a quick unboxing of the EVO Tint for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. I decided to get this one out because I've always been a fan of Tech 21. Got the multi-drop 12-point impact tested. Carbon tint finish. It's very easy and it has a lot of grip on it, and that's what I like. And with something like this, you spend all this money on it, you want to make sure it's grippy in your hands and don't slide out. I had the Samsung, I had the green Samsung case, silicone case. Yeah, that's what it was, the Samsung green silicone case. And I don't know if you can see it real good off the light, but it holds a lot of oil on there and whatever. It just looks ugly when you look at it. Try to wipe it off, it just like smudges it in. I don't like that. All right, so let's go ahead and check this out. And of course, like all the cases that come, they give you this sticker, which I'm not going to use because I'm going to be switching out cases and waiting on my speaking case to come in. All right, so you got your open cutout right here, easy access, your camera cutout, you have your charging cutout, microphone cutout. Up here, you got your microphone cutout. Front, you got your cutout for your speaker, another microphone cutout. All right, let me get a quick wipe on this real quick. All right, slide this bad boy in. Oh, snap it on. All right. Even though it's the tint gray, you can still see, my skin I got on there. It looks like this one will be holding some fingerprints on there. Yeah. But that's all right. Looks like I might have to put the sticker on this. Like it's sliding off. And I know I put it in my pocket. Well, there you go. Just a quick unboxing of the EVO Tint Tech 21 case. See you next time. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm new. I'm trying to get the flow of everything, trying to get my channel where I want it. So excuse the, shortness of the videos and everything, but I promise they're gonna get better. Peace.